Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a follow button on your Facebook profile. For those of you who have a Facebook page, you already know when you have a page, when you people can follow you, and when you go to your view us on your page, you can see there is always a follow button, either a follow or like button. But for a Facebook profile, that option is not there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add that follow button, so that if you want people not to send you a friend request but rather follow you directly so that you can have more followers, I will show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so first of all, let's look at my preview so that after we are done, you also see how it looks like. So when you click on my profile picture on the left and you click on these three dots and click on view as, you will see that it is add friend. So when people come to my profile, this is how it looks like. You can see add friend and you see my profile information and all that. Okay, so let's go back and let's go to the three lines on the right hand corner. Then we go to settings and privacy. Then from settings and privacy, you click on profile settings. From profile settings, you click on privacy. Control who can friend, contact, and view your profile. From there, you come to go down, you see who can friend. Okay, who can send you a friend request? Who can send you a friend request? So when you click on it, you see we have public, we have everyone, anyone on or off Facebook, and the second one is friends of friends. So what the first one means is that when I choose that one, anyone at all on Facebook can send me a friend request. So if you were not my friend on Facebook and you just click, you type and search for my name, you can send me a friend request from anywhere. Now when I choose friends of friends, it means that now the only people that can send me a friend request will be those whose friends are my friends, current friends. What does that mean? If you already have a friend who is my Facebook friend, you can still send me a friend request. But apart from that, anyone whose friend is not my friend cannot send me a friend request. They have to follow me directly. So that one, so let me do it and you see. So when I click on friends of friends, let's go back and check. When you click on my profile picture, we go to the view as. Now as you can see, the follow button is there. So when people come, they will have to follow me. That's the option that is now available for them. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for videos that will help you achieve your digital goals. Thank you once again. Bye bye.